in terms of what will it help, really anything, everything. I mean, they've shown that the only food that is actually beneficial to helping reverse cancer is cruciferous vegetables. What am I telling people to do all day? Raw cruciferous vegetables, right? So, whatever it is that you're dealing with, this optimizes your body's ability to fight back and repair itself.
Literally, this is good for so many different diseases, and it's also good for people who are healthy and just want to work with anti-aging. So
yeah, you want to look younger than your friends and have that healthy glow all year round. Like, yeah, there's nothing wrong with that. Yeah. So this is not a protocol that's specialized in lupus or in autoimmune disease. My specialty is understanding how to use nutrition for cellular repair, optimizing cell function, and reversing inflammation and optimizing your immune system. So yes is the answer. Yes, it's good. If you have a specific issue with nutrition, like I was just on the line with someone right before I got on with you, who is having a bad reaction to any fats. And she's like, how do I add omega-3s if I don't feel good with fats? So I'm going to slow dose her using some flax oil. We're going to get her there because she still needs the nutrition, right? So sometimes there's a slower approach to it. If you've got Crohn's, I've helped people reverse Crohn's, ulcerative colitis, all sorts of things. Sometimes they can't just go right into full, a whole blender smoothie a day, because it's going to be a whole blender smoothie right out the door. Sometimes we need to, work with them to get them to that point. But in terms of what will it help, really anything, everything. I mean, they've shown that the only food that is actually beneficial to helping reverse cancer is cruciferous vegetables. What am I telling people to do all day? Raw cruciferous vegetables, right? So, whatever it is that you're dealing with, this optimizes your body's ability to fight back and repair itself. So the diagnosis doesn't really matter too much. Most of the time when people are having trouble with being able to eat those foods, it's because they take a medicine that interferes. Like you talked about antiphospholipid antibody syndrome. That's what I had. That's how I had the blood clots and the double vision and the mini strokes. I don't have those antibodies anymore. But sometimes when people have that, they're put on a medication called Coumadin, which you're not supposed to. It gets the high nutrient vegetables interfere with the medicine. But then do you stop the nutrition or the medicine? Like, talk to your doctor. Your doctor can adjust your dose to go with your dose of greens. You tell them, here's how much greens I'm eating, adjust my medicine to go with my diet rather than other way around. Or there's other medicine choices that don't have those restrictions. So most of the objections people have are really because they either are afraid their gut can't handle it, in which case we need a slower approach, or a medication. But other than that, every cell needs these. No matter where you're from on the earth, our cells actually look pretty much the same under the microscope. Microscopically, we're all the same. And our cells need the same things. And that's what this program is about. Hyper-nourishment is about providing your cells what they need to do their job. The example I've been using lately is kind of like, I don't know if you ever bought IKEA. Have you ever bought IKEA furniture? Okay. Yeah. Like, for a long time, that was the only furniture I would have been able to get. And they have the instruction manual, and then there's the supplies, and then there's the Allen wrench, right? Well, all of your cells already have the instruction manual to repair themselves. They all have it. It's already there. I've seen it. This is DNA. It's in there. It's got everything it needs. But you need the supplies, you need the shelves and all of the different screws, and you need the Allen wrench. Hyper-nourishment that's what that is. All right. So the cruciferous vegetables, the flax and chia seeds, the water intake, that's that's all your supplies in your Allen wrench. And if you don't have that, it doesn't matter what your cells know, they can't fix themselves. When you supply it, even someone like me that was sick for 12 years can just get back to full health, or as much health as you can get. I mean, why not just go for it and see what you can do?